So yeah, how to find equation of a line should be our thing. We know there are different forms of equation of line, but majorly, as I informed in the last class, I'll be focusing on two things. One is y is equal to mx plus c, second is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So these are the two forms that I would be completely focusing on whenever I'm solving questions based on equation of a line. Yes, these two, if you can remember, it should be sufficient. But how to find equation of a line, or what are the things that should be kept in mind when I'm finding equation of a line? So first thing is I need to find slope. Next is C, we know is y-intercept. And this form is preferred to me over this form. So just think to yourself why this form is preferred over this form. Just think to yourself, even I'll give the logic, why the above form is preferred. So why the above form should be preferred over this form is, this has only two unknowns, while this has three unknowns. Always two unknowns are easy to find than three unknowns, right? So that is the reason y is equal to mx plus c is always preferable whenever we are finding equation of line. So equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c is always preferable. In this, m stands for slope and c stands for y-intercept. So now my entire focus should be on how to find slope and how to find y-intercept. The moment I can find slope and y-intercept, I got equation of line, as simple as that. Correct, right? Yeah. So what are the different ways to find slope? So different ways to find slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is one form, or minus a by b, or tan theta. Problem with students is they know the formulas, but they don't know when to use this, or what is a and b, what is x1, y1. They don't learn the basic, but they learn the formula. That is where they fail badly. Like this, even we have many other ways to find the slope, but mainly we are focused on these first and two. Rarely I need to use even the third one. So when should I use this? When 2 points are given. What are the 2 points? x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. So when I know 2 points on the line, immediately this formula should come into my mind. What is the formula? M, and it is given by y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Immediately that formula should be in our mind. Now, when should I use this formula, minus a by b? When they give me of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a stands for coefficient of x, b stands for coefficient of y. If I know the coefficient of x and coefficient of y, definitely I can use this formula to find slope. When should I use this formula? If I know a line and if I know the angle made by the line with respect to x-axis, if I know a line and if I know the angle made by the line with respect to x-axis, then we should use this formula where m is equal to tan theta. Correct, right? Yeah. So for example, okay, I'll solve many questions. First, let us get the concepts clear. Whenever you need to find slope, these three things should come into your mind. Other than these three things, we have two more ways to find the slope. One is, they say the lines are parallel. So immediately we know the lines are parallel means slopes are same or slopes are equal. Most important concept. If you are good in this, you'll get 3 to 4 questions in SAT. Definitely can solve 3 to 4 questions out of all 58 questions. So complete focus should be here and you should be very attentive. So when I say the lines are parallel, what is the meaning of the lines are parallel? Slopes are same or slopes are equal. So they say line P and Q are parallel. They'll say line P and Q are parallel. And they give different ways, or they'll give the slope of P. So immediately you say slope of q is same as slope of p, as simple as that. Correct, right? Very good. Now, if the lines are parallel, slopes are equal. First point. Second point. If the lines are perpendicular, next I'll go to the next page. So far I'm very clear in my thoughts. There are three ways to find the slope of a line. When 2 points on the line are given, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. First point is called x1 y1, second point is called x2 y2. If they give me equation of line in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, slope of the line is given by minus a by b. If I know the angle made by the line with respect to x-axis, if theta is the angle made by the line with respect to x-axis, slope of the line is given by tan theta. If I know the angle made by the line with respect to x-axis, slope of the line is given by tan theta. I'll send the answer key, you can correct. Yeah. Now, there are few more ways we can find the slope of a line. If they say the lines are parallel, so they say line q is parallel to p. So slope of line q will be same as slope of line p. Every point that I teach in the class is purely related to SAT. So every point should be there in your brain. Even if it's one point, you'll get stuck in one or other question. So everything keep in your mind. When two lines are perpendicular, if the product of the slopes, or if the slope of P is m, slope of Q is negative and reciprocal. Two lines are perpendicular if the product of the slopes is -1, or if one slope is negative reciprocal of other slope. If the product of the slopes is -1 by m, so then we can say the two lines are perpendicular if the product of the slopes is -1 or one slope is negative reciprocal to other. One most important point you need to remember, again I'm saying most important. If I say most important means students will forget that point in exam. What is the most important point is, it looks like foolish point, but most important, slope of a line always remains constant. Slope of a line always remains the same. You think what is there in this? Yes, there is lot in that. What I meant by say this is, suppose if I have 100 points on the line, take any 2 points. There's a lot of meaning on this point. Take any 2 points on the line, you'll get the same slope. So slope of a line always remains the same. One of the most important point. I'll use this frequently when I'm solving mainly SAT math questions. Okay, very good. Now, sir, we are very clear with slope. We understood whatever you spoke so far on slope. Then how to find y-intercept? So let me take example and give it to you. Suppose if I need to find the equation of this line, questions will not be so simple, but let me explain you the simple question so that you can solve difficult question. So assume I have 2 points on the line. What is the slope? I need to find the equation of this line. What is the first thing I need to do? I need to find slope of the line. What is the slope of the line? 9 minus 5 by 3 minus 1. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. There are some non-math students in the class, so I'm explaining you detail. Who are math students, you can do in seconds. 4 by 2. So 4 by 2 is 2. So we know equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore, y is equal to 2x plus c. One unknown, I got it. I'm very happy. Then how to find other unknown? Because this is the equation of this line, you can plug in either this point or this point. Any point that you like, you can plug in here. Suppose you want to plug in 3, 9. Assume x is 3, y is 9. 9 is equal to 2 into 3 plus c. So 9 is equal to 6 plus c, therefore c is equal to 3. So equation of line is y is equal to 2x plus 3. Everyone understand? Simple thing. I need to find the equation of this line. I got the slope. I know how to find the slope. Once I find the slope, the moment I need to find y-intercept, how do I find y-intercept? I'll just plug in any point that I like. You can even plug in 1 comma 5. Suppose y is equal to 2x plus c. You can even plug in 1 comma 5. So 5 is equal to 2 plus c, or c is equal to 5 minus 2, which is 3. So equation of line is y is equal to 2x plus 3. You get the same thing. Math is wonderful subject. Math is a wonderful subject. Okay. Yeah. Now let me give you actual SAT questions. We'll solve at least in the next 40-45 minutes. We'll solve at least 15 to 20 actual SAT questions based on finding the equation of the line. We should become perfect at the end of the class how to find the equation of the lines questions. But the questions will not be so straightforward, which you need to keep in mind. Take any paper. These are all actual SAT papers. All right, let me take one paper. In this paper, let us solve all the questions that are there related to finding the equation of the line. We'll be just focusing on equation of the line. Okay, try to give me question. Try to give me answer for question number 3. You can type your answer in the chat box. We have only 1 minute to answer. Start. See what are the different ways they ask equation of line is. We'll analyze now. Question number 3: shipping charges, merchandise weight, and shipping charges. Wherever they say linear is same as line. Linear means straight line. And one more thing I would like to highlight: f of x and y both are same. Y is equal to mx plus c, or I can also write f of x is equal to mx plus c, because y is function of x, or f of x and y are frequently interchangeable terminologies. You can use either of these at any point of time that you like. Very good, Samhit. So perfect, Sidhu. Okay, Shivi. Already 3 students have given me answers. If I'm the student, how I am going to solve this? This is x, this is y. So the first point is 5 comma 16.94. You can take any 2 points. Other point is 10 comma 21.89. So slope is given by y2 minus y1, 21.89 minus 16.94 divided by 10 minus 5. This is also approximately 5, less than 5, but I don't have calculator. I'm doing without calculator. So slope should be close to 1. So the only options with slope close to 1, slope. This is slope. The coefficient before x is slope. So C and D options are gone. Even an 90 years old woman or man, if they're in the class, they can understand. You should focus. Just do what I'm doing. You will be easily able to understand. And see the way I'm solving. That is more important. Now the slope is close to 1. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So definitely C and D are gone. Now I know y is equal to mx plus c, or f of x is equal to mx plus c. M is close to 1, or 0.99 into x plus c. To find c, I'll plug in any one point. 16.94 is equal to 0.99 into 5 plus c. This will be approximately 5. Bring this side, it is approximately 11 point. So definitely B for Bangalore should be answer. See how simple is this. Everyone should solve and can solve. It is not that none of you are able to solve. See how well they are relating equation of line to real life math. People often come and say to me, sir, where can we apply this equation of line? And see how well we can apply. Wherever there is a linear relationship, we can happily apply this equation of line concept. And there are many questions, not 1 or 2 questions. I just started. So section 3 and section 4 are math, right? So this is also a linear function, but different linear function. I just want to focus only on the questions that gives me equation of line. Question number 9, everyone in the class should solve to the point. Solve and give me your answer. Start. Question number 9. Fast. If people should be fast and give me answer. They gave line and they're asking you to find the equation of line. And one good news is there is one student just before me. He's writing exam on October 1st. I think he's doing some questions. He just asked me one question that is also related to equation of line. After this question, I'll give you that question too. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Almost all of you had given me answer. Very good. Everyone has given me the answer. Perfect. So take any 2 points. These are the simplest points. One point is these are all actual SAT questions. You'll get similar SAT questions. Other point is 0, minus 4. Find the slope. 0, y2 minus y1, 0 minus minus 4 divided by minus 4 minus 0. So slope is 4 by minus 4, which is minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 into x plus c. To find c, plug in any one point. 0 is equal to, I'm plugging this point, minus 1 into minus 4 plus c. Therefore c is minus 4. Therefore y is equal to minus x minus 4. Bring this side, x plus y is equal to minus 4c. Hardly it takes. Very good. Everyone gave me answer. Perfect Sidhu, perfect Samhit, perfect Viram, perfect Sarayu, perfect Shivi. Even one or two students. Most of you gave me answer and correct answer. Who did not give me answer? I think one student. You should also give me answer here. I'm solving only on equation of line. There is one student who gave me one question. I'm writing the question on the board right now. You can solve that question. He's doing some paper, I think. Lines M and N. Lines M and N are perpendicular. M and N in the XY plane. Lines M and N in the XY plane are perpendicular and intersect at origin. If line N passes through 1, P, what is the equation of line M? Option A, y is equal to minus px. Option B, y is equal to minus x by p. Option C, y is equal to 1 minus x by p. Option D, y is equal to x minus 1 by p. You can see the options and question on the board. This is an exact question that student is asking me here. We'll see here. Just read the question. Lines M and N are in the XY plane are perpendicular and intersects at origin. If line N passes through 1, P, what is the equation of line M? Dead easy question. Very simple, straightforward question. Good. Attempt. Try to solve and give me answer. I'm giving you 1 minute time to everyone. Very good. Students already started giving me answer. 4 have given answer. 4 have given 2 different answers. Simple questions. Dead simple. Okay. Very good. Okay. Abhiram, Samhit, Sidhu, Shivi. Okay. Even others who just typed, no? Someone has typed the answer. See how simple is this question. Lines M and N are perpendicular. Lines M and N are perpendicular. they they intersect at origin, means one point is 0 comma 0, other point is 1 comma p. So find the slope. Slope is p minus 0 by 1 minus 0. Slope of p, m is p. So slope of n should be minus 1 by p, because I clearly told you if the lines are perpendicular, slope should be negative and reciprocal. So see where you have slope of minus 1 by p. So you have slope of minus 1 by p in option C and option B, because 1 minus x by p is same as 1 by p minus x by p. So now I need to find C. Y is equal to minus 1 by px plus c. To solve for C, I need to know one point. Clearly, the line is passing through 0 comma 0. So 0 is equal to minus 1 by p into 0 plus c. Therefore, C equal to 0. So equation of line is y is equal to minus 1 by p into x, which is option B for Bangalore. Very good. Most of you gave me answer as B for Bangalore. So who gave other than B for Bangalore? One or two students gave some other answer. Just see what is the mistake that you have done. The rest of them have done very good. Excellent. One I think could not do. Just see what made you to stop here. Just simple thing. Y is equal to mx plus c. How to find slope, how to find y intercept. I taught you so simple. Give any question, if you just follow this rule, happily you'll be able to solve, and you'll have minimum 3 to 4 questions. Even it can go to 5 to 6 questions. Okay. Now next question in the same paper. I'll come back to the paper. That student is standing from a long time. When I saw the question, it is same as yours, so I thought, why can't we do? Now next question. I'll do only based on the linear functions. I'm not going to do anything else. Not linear functions, only finding equation of line. 23rd question. Let me see how many of you can give me answer. Start fast. You have 1 minute time with you. Question number 23rd. Very good. Very good. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. Everyone should give me answer. Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Even others? 5 students gave me answer as of now. Very good. Perfect. All of you are correct. Same logic. Whenever you have equation of line, you should just simply follow the logic I told you. Take 2 points, 0, a comma 0, 3a comma minus a. Find the slope. 0 minus of minus a by a minus 3a. A by minus 2a minus 1 by 2. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2x plus c. So plug in this point. 0 is equal to minus 1 by 2a plus c. C is equal to a by 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus x by 2 plus a by 2. Or 2y is equal to minus x plus a. Or x plus 2y is equal to a. So a for algebra. Just fat. Don't do all this. Just to show you I'm doing. If not, I'll do directly minus 1 by 2. I'll put here C. I'll find out and I'll tell you answer. It will not take me more than 10 seconds. So x plus 2y is equal to a. So if you got something else as the answer, just see the thing, or you can take photo of it later on after the class. You can just see this video. Anyway, I'll upload, but I'll send you if you want. Okay. Now next question. See how many questions are there. That is what is most important. 24th question number 24. You'll get bit stuck because this is called scatter plot. Don't worry. They're asking what is the equation of this line. This line. This is called line of best fit. What is the equation of line of best fit? Equation of line of best fit with this line. I'll tell you what is line of best fit scatter plot in one class. I need 2 classes to explain that. Scatter plot is some good concept. Difficult questions comes in exam. Now, what is the equation of that line? Take any 2 points that you like on the line and you can happily solve them and give me your answer. Very good. Again, 2, 3 have given me answer. Perfect. Perfect. Take any 2 points you like. Any 2 points you can like, you can take on this line. Any 2 points. So 1 point I would like to take is this 160,8. Other point is 200,100. Take any 2 points. That is what I told you. Slope of a line always remains constant. Then find the slope. Slope is 100 minus 80 by 200 minus 160. Correct. I'm correct. Yeah. So 20 by 40, 1 by 2.5. So there is only one line with slope of 0.5. So B for Bangalore is answer. Very good. Excellent. Yeah, all good. All good. Very good. See how many questions are coming already. I think I solved 4 questions based on simple equation of line. I think I solved almost 4 or 5 questions in this one simple paper. I'm just solving based on equation of the line. This is also equation of line. Just for this is not related to what I explained. See how many of you can solve. I'm sure 90% of you cannot solve this. Try to give me answer for 35. This is also based on equation of line. When we explain something, it looks easy. When we not, it definitely looks. Try to read question number 35 once. Try to give me your answer. Question number 35. That is also a linear function, but not what I thought. In linear function, there are many concepts. Last class, I concentrated on equation of meaning of slope and y-intercept. This class, I'm concentrating on how to find equation of line. But you can see this question. Simple, right? Okay, I think 2 have given the answers. I think 2 of them are correct. Yeah. Ax plus ab is equal to 4x plus 10. I'm telling infinite solutions. When I have infinite, this is equal to this is equal to this. The moment you understand that, you are the king. A is equal to 4, AB is equal to 10. So B is 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is 5 by 2, which is 2.5. As simple as that. But you need to understand that SAT questions are simple, but accuracy should be 58 out of 58. Even you make 57, you lose 20 or 30 marks. And we have some good difficult questions later on. Okay, in this paper, I solved all the questions based on finding the equation of line. I'm not doing anything else. I'm just doing the questions based on finding the equation of line alone. I don't want to do something else. There is no question directly based on. Yes, I can see one question number 20. Decent question. Try to give me answer for question number 20. It is clearly based on equation of line, finding the equation of line. Everyone should be active. If you don't get, you can ping me. I'll make you aware. But everyone, write the information immediately. Solve it. 3 questions. If you are perfect in today's class, 3 questions are in your pocket. Okay. Take care. Come on. Wrong. Write all the information they had given. Perfect. Okay. Good. 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 Very good. Very good. I'll give you 30 more seconds. If you can solve, good. If not, I'll explain your answer for this. Good. Sarath, Abhiram, Samhit, Sidhu, I'm expecting answers from you, Sidhu. Just give me answers and be regular here. Don't miss any class. Everyone in the class will take exam on December 3rd. I'll train you for December 3rd. You should take December 3rd, unless until you're in 12th grade. December 3rd will be your targeted exam. 2 or 3 more students are there. They'll also join. All of you will take on December 3rd. Okay, I think 3 students gave me answer. Even others just give me your answer. Be fast. Okay. See how easily I'll solve this question. If I'm the student, how I'm going to solve this question. The graph of the linear function f is shown. The graph of the linear function g not shown is perpendicular to graph of f. G is perpendicular to f and passes through the point 1 comma 3. G passes through the point 1 comma 3. What is the value of g of 0? Okay. So first you find equation of the line y g, that is g of x or y, both are same. G of x is mx plus c. I need to find slope of g. How to find slope of g? First find slope of f. What is the slope of f? 1 comma 1 and 0 comma 3. 3 minus 1 divided by 0 minus 1 minus 2 is the slope of f. So what is the slope of g? Perpendicular to f. So slope of g is 1 by 2, negative and reciprocal. Negative of minus is plus, reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. So g of x is equal to 1 by 2x plus c. I need to find c. I clearly told you can plug in any point that you like. I would like to plug in 1 comma 1 where x is 1, g of x is also 1. 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus c, or c is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equivalent to 1 by 2. So g of x is equal to 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2. But what I need to find? I need to find the value of g of 0. So g of 0 is 1 by 2 into 0 plus 1 by 2. This becomes 0. So the final answer is 1 by 2. So g of 0 is 1 by 2. That is your answer. Everyone can look into the thing. See how simple is this. I think only 3 students answered for this question. 3 gave me correct answer. Remaining gave me wrong answer. Almost everyone answered except 1 or 2. But 3 only gave me correct answer. See why others. You have any doubt, you ask me right now. You can unmute and ask me. We have just 7-8 students, not big, very big number. You have any doubts, please unmute and you can ask me. But simple, right? You should follow step by step. I need to find the slope equation of g mx plus c. First, I need to find slope of g. So first find slope of m f, perpendicular, negative, reciprocal. Now what is missing here? C is missing. So how to find C? Plug in any point that you like. So you'll get the value of C as 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 should be your answer. Simple and straightforward answer. Okay? Yeah. Now, next question. Let us see the questions that are there here. All. I'm just looking into the questions based on equation of line. Only based on equation of the line. Yeah, we can solve question number 14. It is also equation of line, but not exact. You try to see question number 14. Question number 14. There is not that you always get simple direct answers. Some word problems would be there. You need to read the question and try to give answer. Try to give answer for question number 14. Good. Very good. Students are very active. I'm very happy. Very happy. Very good. Very good. Okay. I think everyone has given answer except one. The company purchased a machinery valued at 1,20,000. The value of the machine depreciated by the same amount each year. After 10 years, the value will be 30,000. Which of the following equation gives the value of the machine in dollars t years after? So V is my Y and T is my X. First identify what is X and what is Y. So when X is equal to 0, the value should be 1,20,000. When X is equal to 10, the value is 30,000. So slope is equal to 30,000 minus 1,20,000, which is 90,000 by 10 minus 0, which is 10 minus, so minus 9,000. Slope should be minus 9,000. Slope is minus 9,000, minus 9,000, meaningless, meaningless. So y is equal to minus 9,000 into x plus c. To solve for x, plug in this point. When x is equal to 0, y is 1,20,000. So c is 1,20,000. So y is equal to, simple logic, whatever I told you, if you can just follow that blindly, y is v, x is t. So that should be your answer. V is equal to 1,20,000 minus 9,000 t. That should be your answer. Perfect, Amma. Perfect. Very good. Very good. Yeah. 15th question. My intention is to show how many questions are there. Minimum you get 3 questions. It can go up to 5 questions. Just find based on finding equation of line. Just on equation of line. In line, there are many concepts. Last class we discussed slope and y-intercept and x-intercept and y-intercept concept. Last class it means on that we have 1 or 2 questions. On x-intercept, y-intercept we have 1 or 2 questions. Equation of line we have 3 to 4 questions. Every concept we need to become perfect and strong. Please see question number 15, 1-5. Good, good. Abhiram, Sarayu, Samhit, Sidhu, Shivi, these are all gave me answers. Sarath also gave me answer. Perfect. I think one more left, 1 or 2 left. Just give me answer too. Now see the 15th question. Line M in the xy plane contains the point which is the following. Simple. Yeah. They give 2 points. So find the slope. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 by 2 is the slope. There are 2 lines. So A and B are gone. Y is equal to 3 by 2 x plus c. To solve for c, plug in any one point. 1 is equal to 3 by 2 plus c. Sorry, 1 is equal to x is 0, y is 1, 0 plus c, therefore c is 1. So equation of line is y is equal to 3 by 2x plus 1, which is D for Delhi is my answer. D for Delhi is my perfect answer. Okay, even this is the indirect question I would like to do later on. I would like to do direct questions now. Direct questions based on the equation of line. Yeah, please do question number 30. Again, they're asking what is the equation of line of best fit. Means they need to find the equation of this line. Equation of line of best fit means equation of this line. Forget about those dots. We'll see what are those dots. What are the different ways they can ask questions based on that. Very dangerous scatter plot unless until you know the concepts. Question number 30th, fast. Take any 2 points. See how simple is this. Y is equal to mx plus c should be in your mind. Don't get worried by looking at bit fat questions. Very good for these three students, even others. Take any 2 points that you like. See here, 16 comma 600. Take any 2 points. Other point I would like to say is 22 comma 800. So slope is 800 minus 600, 200, 66, 22 minus 6, which is 6, which is 100 by 3, which is 33.33. So close to 33. So option A and B are gone. Now between C and D, y is equal to 33x plus c. Plug in any point that you like. 600 is equal to 33 into 16 plus c. So 33 into 16 is approximately 330 330 plus 6 means 165 plus 33. I don't have calculator there. 9 12, so 528. So it should be close to 84. C should be 84. So D for Delhi should be my answer. D for Delhi should be my answer. Perfect, Sidhu. Perfect, Shivi. Remaining students made some mistake. Perfect. Take 2 points. Take any question. Don't get afraid. Just 2 points are going to give you the answer. Just 2 points. As simple as that. Any question that you are going to take. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Question number 32. See, I have almost 4 or 5 questions just based on equation of line. See, question number 32. Attack and give me your answer. Question number 32. Okay. Everyone should give me answer. Then I'll explain it. I'm giving you 1 more minute. Everyone just type your answer. Good, good, very good, very good. Okay, very good. So most of you have given answers. So who are finding struggling to solve, just see how simple is this. Line L has a y-intercept of -13 and is perpendicular to the line with the equation -2/3. So y is equal to mx plus c. Y-intercept is -13, perpendicular to -2/3. So reciprocal and negative. So minus of minus is plus 3/2. Find the equation. Y is equal to 3/2 x minus 13. Y or f of x both meant the same. Now, simple. See how simple is this? Negative reciprocal of -2/3 and y-intercept of -13. So this clearly passes to the point 10 comma b. B is equal to 3/2 into 10 minus 13. This goes 5 times. So b is equal to 15 minus 13, which is 2. So the value of b should be definitely 2. Very good. Very good. Abhiram, perfect. Others, I don't see the reason why you give wrong answers. Simple, right? First find the equation of the line, then plug in 10 comma b in that. You'll be able to get answers. See how many questions are there in other paper? 4 comma 5. 5 questions are there. Let me open other paper. I'll do 1 or 2 questions in this. Then I'll leave you. Once I complete linear functions, then I'll send you good number of questions. I have good number of questions with me. If you can practice all the 75 questions, based on just linear function, you are going to get approximately 14 to 15 questions based on all the linear functions questions. In next 3-4 classes, I need 3 or 4 classes. Yeah, try to give me second question answer. Simple, direct, straightforward. Everyone should give me answer. Start. Give me answer for question number 2. Good, good, excellent, excellent. Samir, Abhiram, Sivi, Sidhu, very good. Sorry, you take 2 simple points. What are the points you like? 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2, 0 comma 0, 1 comma 2. Slope is 2 by 2. So the only line with slope is either A or D, and this should be 0. Intercept is 0 because it is passing through 0 comma 0. So A for Agra is answered. Just 5 seconds question. Correct, right? We'll solve some 1 or 2 more questions in this. Just on equation of line, finding equation of the line. But sometimes you get difficult questions. For example, you see question number 13. Question number 13 is a good question. Wherever I see linear, this is what most important, decreased at a constant rate, increased at a constant rate. Wherever you see these constant rates, that represents a linear function. That represents a linear function. Most important point that you need to keep in mind. Constant rate, decrease at a constant rate, increase at a constant rate, linear function, linear, all meant it is a y is straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. Try to give me answer for question number 13. Okay, very good, Very good, Abhiram, Sidhu. Good. Even others, just type your answer. Be fast. Samhit, perfect. Sidhu, perfect. She or something else. Okay. Okay, so now let me see if I'm the student, how I'm going to solve this question. How simply oil and gas production certain rate dropped from 4 million barrels in 2000 to 1.9 million barrels in 2013. Assuming that the oil and gas production decreased at a constant, which of the following linear function have best mode of the production millions of T years after 2000? So 2000 should be 0 and 2013 should be 13. So the points are 4, 0, 13, uh, yeah, 0, 4 and 13, 1.9. This is my y or f of t, this is my x. So slope is 1.9 minus 4, 1.9 minus 4 is 1.9 minus 4 is minus 2.1 by 13. So minus 21 by 130. Yes, the only line with slope of minus 21 by C. So C for Chennai is answer. Yes, very good. Samhit and Abhiram, very good, perfect. See, the moral is finally I need to find 2 points. They may give lengthy word problem or simple problem. But when I give lengthy word problem, some of you make mistakes. Why? Because you think something else. You need to read to the question and come to the 2 points. Everyone in the class would be able to solve. I'll share this. Please, next class, please meet me. So the next topic of linear functions, slowly we'll go and do all the parts that are required. I'll see you in the next class. Attend English class right now. Teacher is waiting. Please do. You can log off this class and join that class. Take care. Bye.